Hello students, today we start a new topic in a construction equipment management chapter. Topic name is a depreciation. So first of all we discuss about what is depreciation. So depreciation can be defined as a loss or decrease in the value of the property due to use, life, wear and tear and decay and obsolescence. So it is called a depreciation. As the equipment which is purchased today will not work forever, and this may be due to wear and tear of the equipment. So depreciation is one of the important topic in construction equipment management, and it is to be replaced at the proper time for a continuance of a business, and the replacement of the equipment at the end of its useful life involve money, and this must be internally generated from the earning of the equipment, and the recover of the money from the earning of an equipment for its replacement purpose is called as a depreciation fund. So here depreciation means decrease in the value of any physical assets with the passage of time. So it's most important, and here depreciation and tax. So from the figure you exactly seen, if we use the method number 1, 2, 3, whichever we use, but as per the increase the time. So here from the graph you exactly seen, if time is increased and purchase cost is as it is, and if we find out the depreciation from the different method, so depreciation cost is decreased when time is increased, means here year wise in a first year depreciation cost is decreased, and second year uh, cost is um, salvage value is higher, and salvage value is decreased as per the time is increased and depreciation is increased. So here different methods is generally used for the depreciation. So here there are main five methods is there. First one is a straight line method, second one is a sum of year digit method, third one is a decline balance method, and fourth one is a accelerated recovery method, and fifth one is a other method. So here in a fourth one method is also sinking fund method, is a accelerated recovery system, and fifth one is in other method we use the service output method. So let's we start with a straight line method. So in this method of the depreciation, it is assumed that depreciation is the same for every year, and therefore fixed sum in is charged for the depreciation amount throughout the lifetime of the equipment. Like depreciation cost for a first year and depreciation cost for after 5 years, both are the same, means depreciation is same for the every year we calculate, and such that the accumulated sum of at the end of the useful life of the equipment is exactly equal to the purchase value of the property. Now we make the important assumption that inflation is absent, and here one of the equation or a formula for finding out the depreciation for the straight line method is a dt is equal to p minus f divided by n. So what is dt? Dt is a depreciation amount for the period of t. D means depreciation and t means time, and p minus f divided by here equation is a p minus f divided by n, means p is a first cost of the property of equipment, and f is a salvage value of the equipment, and minus p minus f divided by n, and n is the life of the equipment. So in this straight line method depreciation is decreased same for every year. Now in a next method is a decline sum year of a digit method. So in a sum year of digit method, it is assumed that the book value of the property or equipment decrease at the decrease the rate. Clear? So like if the equipment life is 8 years, so first the sum of the years is computed as a sum of the year is a 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 8, 7 plus 8, means 8 years summation of the 8 year is a 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. Here name indicates sum of year digit method, means life of the equipment is a 8 year, so summation of the 8 year is equal to 36, and the rate of depreciation charge for a first year is assumed as the highest, and then it decrease. So the rate of depreciation for the year 1 to 8 respectively is a 8 divided by 36, then after 7 divided by 36, then after 6 divided by 36, then after 5 divided by 36, 4 divided by 36, 3 divided by 36, 2 divided by 36, and at the last year, means at the end of the 8 year, 1 divided by 36. So for any year of the depreciation is calculated by multiplying the corresponding rate of depreciation with P minus F. So dt means depreciation of a particular time is equal to rate multiplied by P minus F. So we are already discussed. So P is so P is first cost of the property or equipment, and F is a salvage value, and rate for which year we calculated. So we write down 8 multiplied by 8 divided by 36, 7 divided by 36 respectively, and the formula for dt for the specific year of a t is dt is equal to n minus t plus 1 divided by n multiplied by n plus 1 divided by 2 p minus f. So these are the formula for sum year digit method. Now another method number 3 is a decline balance method. So in a decline balance method, in this method the depreciation, a constant percentage of the book value of the previous period of the equipment or a property will be charged as a depreciation amount for the current period, and this approach is a more realistic approach since the depreciation charges decrease with the life of the equipment, which matches with the earning potential of the equipment, and the book value of the end of the life of the equipment may not be exactly equal to the salvage value of the equipment, and this is the major limitation of this approach. So here depreciation cost formula for finding out by the decline balance method is a dt is equal to k multiplied by b t minus 1. So what is dt? D is a depreciation, t is a period or a time, k value is a fixed percentage, means year wise percentage is decrease. So here k is a percentage, and bt is a book value of the equipment for the particular period t, means time t. So here bt is also bt minus 1 minus dt is a formula for finding out the book value or depreciation value. Now fourth method is a accelerated recovery system. So it's also is a sinking fund method. So here in this method depreciation of the book value and in a sinking fund method, in this method depreciation of the book value decrease at the increased rate with respect to life of the property or equipment. So here the loss of the value of the property is made available in the form of the cumulative depreciation amount at the end of the life of the property, and equal depreciation amount at the end of the each year or each period during the lifetime of the property. So it's a acceleration recovery system method. Now here one example is given. So here simple small example is given. So effect of depreciation and the tax on the selection of alternatives. So here depreciation and comparison between the two equipment is given. So here the following 5 things is required. First is initial cost, second is operating cost, third one is economic life, fourth one is corporate tax, and fifth one is salvage value. And a comparison of both the two values is given. So here initial cost for the equipment 1 is a 12 lakh 50,000, and equipment B initial cost is a 7.5 lakh. Similarly operating cost is 3 lakh is operating cost, and equipment B 5.5 lakh is the operating cost, and economic life is a 5 year, and here for equipment B economic life is a 5 years, and corporate tax is a 50% for both the side, and salvage value is a 0. So at the end of the 5 year salvage value is 0. Now here for equipment 1 pre-tax cash flow diagram look like this. So here this line show the years and values in rupees lakh. So in a first year means in a 0 year we purchase the equipment in a 12.5 lakhs. So here from the our side it's a negative value. Why negative? Because it's a outgoing value. And then after in a every year operating cost is a 3 lakh. So 3 lakh is outgoing from our side. So outgoing first year is a 3 lakh, second year is a 3 lakh, third year is a 3 lakh. Similarly equipment is used for the 5 years. So at the end of the 5 year each and every year 3 lakh is a operating cost. And here this diagram is a cash flow diagram for the equipment. So here also here you seen that 50% value is given of the corporate tax. So here 0.25 lakhs is a tax as a cash flow diagram. So in each and every year 0.25 lakh is each and every year we write at here. So it's a outgoing value, so we write in a downward direction or draw in a downward direction. Similarly for equipment B, so for equipment B 7.5 lakh is a purchase cost, means equipment cost, and it's outgoing value, so we write it here. And similarly in each and every year cash flow means here 5.5 lakh is operating cost. So here we write it here 5.5 lakhs in each year is outgoing for operating cost at the up to the 5 year. And similarly cash flow diagram for equipment B. So here 2 lakh is in each and every year 2 lakh is a corporate tax for each and every year. So these are the cash flow diagram for equipment A and B. So it's for your reference. And Now next topic is evaluating replacement alternative. So steps for involved in a replacement analysis. So first calculate the depreciation and replacement cost. Then after calculate the investment cost of the equipment of each year of analysis period. Then after forecast the maintenance and repair cost, and forecast downtime and loss of the productivity cost, and calculate the obsolescence cost, which is product of obsolescence factor and given operating cost, and calculate the total cost of the year, and plot the total cost per year for different years. So these are the evaluating replacement alternatives. Now here we stop our lecture, and in the next lecture we discuss the another topics. Thank you.